What's going on, good people? It's your boy Josh, and welcome back to the channel. And if you are new, make sure you go down and smash that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. It helps out the channel a lot. I really appreciate that. Today in this video, I'm showing you guys my typical Sunday evening as a barber. And right now, I'm doing some of my men's grooming essentials to get my day started. Then I'm going to make me something light for breakfast because I have to leave soon, so I needed something quick before I head over to the shop. So for breakfast, I'm just going to be making a bowl of oatmeal and eating some fruit. I remember when I was younger, I used to always use water for my oatmeal, but I just recently started back eating it since I eat at home more now, and I decided to use almond milk, and it's so much more flavor, y'all. After I microwave my oatmeal, it's always super hot, so I use this trick from my childhood where I put the bowl in the freezer for like a minute or so to cool it down. So I got me some oatmeal, a plum, and some water. About to kill this real quick. I have on my gym clothes, y'all, because after I leave the shop, I'm going to go to the gym to get a good workout in. I've been staying super disciplined with going to the gym, and it's been helping in other areas of my life too. It helps me stay focused, and it just keeps me challenged. So usually on my off days, I don't cut at all, but every now and then there's a client that will hit you up last minute for a cut. I charge extra on my off days, and if I'm not really busy, I really don't mind. The new suite I have in Atlanta has been solid. So far the location has been working out nice for me coming from home and my new clients coming in. On one of my next videos, I will show y'all what else has been added to the suite. But this is just the beginning. I have a lot of big plans for the business as I get situated in a new city. Now my client is about to pull up. I'm about to get ready for him. I'm going to be doing more tutorials coming soon too also, so stay tuned, and a lot of vlogs. I just had to get my lighting right in the shop before I can start recording the content like I want to. So right now I'm going to shampoo my client before the cut. It helps promote a cleaner cut for me and adds a nice vibe to the service experience. This client is one of my loyal clients from my hometown. Real cool dude. He drove down to get that Josh cut like they all say. But I've had a couple clients actually drive down from my hometown to get a cut, and that really means a lot to me. It just tells me a lot about myself and my service. And you know, we had to bring that energy down to a new city, but as you guys can see, you know, some of my loyal ones still come through and support your boy. So for my guy, I'm going to be giving him a hot taper. He's usually been getting the same cut ever since I've been cutting him. This time we didn't take anything down, so we're just going to give him that smooth fade, blending it right into the top and giving him that clean line. This junk came out fresh. I can't wait for y'all to see it. But yeah, this was like a good time for me and him to really catch up. It's been a while since I was able to give him a cut. So I've been able to tell him about my experience, you know what I'm saying, everything that's been going on in a new city, about the business, and just really catching up. You know, he brought his son with him. You can't see him, but you know, he has a little son. I think he about 2 or 3 years old. And I remember when he first used to bring him to the shop. It's crazy, you know, getting to watch clients, kids grow up, and just, you know, sharing each other life stories and experiences, you know, to help each other grow. That's one of the favorite things as a barber, is being able to talk to people and just share knowledge and share experiences. But anyways, as y'all can see, man, that fade looking good, that line looking good. I'm putting him some wave pomade on. I'm gonna go over the edge of his hair with the Andes Masters and get those loose hairs off the top to keep it smooth and keep it laid down. And as y'all can see, that taper look mean. Yeah, I got my guy right. So I made it to the gym, y'all, right after I left the shop. I usually don't come to the gym on the weekends. I usually just do Monday through Friday. But sometimes on the weekend, I get a feeling to where I just want to go to the gym and get in that zone. And I'll take me some headphones. You know, I always got some headphones on me, listening to some motivational videos, some type of seminars, or just, you know, learning some new knowledge all the time. I'm always down to learn knowledge, to expand myself, my mind, and be able to help and teach other people things. That's one of the biggest things about me being a barber. I'm always learning things. So every time somebody comes to the shop, I'm always having something to talk about, or just, you know, passing on some knowledge that I've learned. And I'm running into a lot of dope people that are able to give me knowledge, and I feel like that's what it's supposed to be in the world. We're supposed to help each other grow in all aspects of life. But yeah, anyways, I like coming to the gym. I have some body goals, and it's not easy. I'm still struggling, you know, getting my mind right as far as like being focused on just straight health. You know, I have my downfalls sometimes with food, but I make sure I stay consistent in the gym, and it's all gonna work out. So I made it back home, you guys. About to take me a hot shower and make me something to eat. I'm eating me some tacos today, something light, man, not too much, but these things are fire. Me and my girlfriend, we always making stuff at home. Most of the stuff that we can go out and buy, we try to cook it at home because it's like less calories. We know what we're putting into it, and we try to use alternatives to certain meat. And in these tacos, we use like ground turkey instead of like ground beef. We're using like, you know, everything else that goes into tacos is not really that complicated, but you know, we try to substitute some things to make our food more healthy, less calories, and we try to implement more fruit and stuff. But these tacos, they about to get toe up, man. Them things be so fire, bro. Just look at them, they look so good. So once I eat, I try to do some chores around the house, sweep, mop, and do some laundry. Before I really sit down and start chilling and working on my own business things, I try to get things situated around the house first before I dive in to my own work. So towards later in the evening on my Sundays, I'm usually here at my desk a lot, working on videos, working on business ideas, writing notes, or just watching some YouTube videos to get some inspiration or come up with new ideas. I'm finishing up my course right now. Like I told you guys before, I'm coming out with my course under my JoshXBarber Academy venture. So if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you guys have been seeing me talk about it, promoting it a little bit. It's dropping soon. I'm finishing up the last couple things I need to do with it. But yeah, so usually that's what I'm doing on my day. If I'm not editing videos, I'm working on some business plans. Right here, I'm just making some notes. Usually I write down a lot of ideas for videos. I write down a lot of my goals, and I just try to like get a lot of things out of my head, and that's usually my day, man. But I hope you guys like this video. This is the end of the vlog. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It is your boy Josh. See you on the next one. Peace.